It's December 5, 2022. Today I'm going to go over some of the trades that I took today. I took two trades today. The first trade was a loss, GJ, and the second trade was a winner through UJ during the London session. So with GJ, I was waiting for price around 1:30 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. for price to close above 166.050. This was based off of the fact that there was a wick rejection to the left. The 2 a.m. candle closed bullish. However, it was a strong wick rejection. When 2:30 came, we had a solid close. I entered the trade. Stop loss was placed at 160. Stop loss was placed at 166.003, which is around right here. It was around this area right here. I wasn't expecting price to come down here. I was looking at the 15-minute as well to see, okay, what's going to happen. And, around 2:30, the next candle just came and completely took me out. I risked 1%. I lost 1%. And at that point, I couldn't take a sell because we're in areas where there's resistances all over the place. The next possible sell could have come at 165.412. At this point, I just decided to look at UJ as UJ showed more promise. Same thing with UJ, there was a beautiful buy or bullish move that happened around 2 a.m. Unfortunately, again, I was waiting for price to close above resistance. There was clean traffic to the left. I didn't take advantage of it. However, I was able to take advantage around 3 a.m. based off of the 15-minute time frame. So around 3:15, just to double check, I'm going to check my MT4 because I'm sorry, my trading view, because sometimes MT4 the times just kind of confuse me. But this was around 3:15. Okay, so around 3:15 the candle closed bullish. We created a resistance, then price closed bullish again, creating a support, just kind of consolidating. But the 3:30 a.m. candle, which is for the 15, at that point in time, it was pushing bearish. And I'm thinking, okay, well, if price breaks the high, it makes sense that, maybe it wants to continue pushing up. This was also based on the fact that the 1-hour candle had created a long wick and it was pushing up to break high, continue breaking up to the high side. There was also this resistance that it was aiming to go towards. And, I took advantage of this opportunity. We ended up catching around, like, I want to say 11 pips, 11, 12 pips. Price did run. And my original target was like around 16, 17 pips, which price did come to this area. But I ended up closing majority of that profit. And I cashed in $21 of profit minus commissions, which gave me 0.43% gain today. And right now I'm just reviewing what I could have done better. As far as UJ, I think a good opportunity could have come off of the 30-minute when price closed bullish. Maybe entering once this 2 a.m. candle closed bullish, seeing that there was a pullback on the 2:30 a.m. candle pushing up, entering stop loss at around 134.802, 12.5 pip stop loss, catching, maybe 30 pips, catching maybe this wick fill 23 pips for 90%, letting the rest possibly run. But I did hesitate because there was just a lot of momentum with this candle, and there was a large wick, and I hesitated to enter because I didn't know if we were going to create support first, and that was kind of my thought process. I wanted to see price create support and then continue pushing up. Fortunately, it didn't, but I was able to take advantage of a 15-minute opportunity on UJ. And for me, even though I closed 0.43% in profit, I take it more like a break-even day. And that's a beautiful thing to end the day at break-even. As far as GJ, so with GJ, the opportunity that probably was the best opportunity to take, and this would have worked as an impulsive trade, would have happened at 2 a.m. when price broke the previous candle high around 166.7072. Stop loss down at 165.949 for around 12.3 pips, possibly letting price run all the way to that, close to that wick for 12 pips, maybe even a little farther. The entirety of the candle, if I would have entered at that price, would have been around 26 pips. So we could have possibly let price, run maybe somewhere around here for like 20 pips, letting price run and then closing, 90% around 15 to 20 pips. I really want to start to aim for, 15 to 20 pips more consistently to be able to long-term be more in profit. Because when I take losses, unfortunately, even though I manage my losses, if my losses appear to be a lot more than my wins, they tend to usually outweigh my wins a lot more. So I figure letting my winners run a bit more while managing my losses the same should hopefully offset that situation. But currently, as I'm looking at the chart, I mean, GJ is just crazy. It's doing nothing. The 4-hour broke the previous candle low. We're possibly gonna have sales. I mean, on the 1-hour time frame, we created a resistance. Price pulled up. It's pushing down now. We're probably gonna come down if we break this 1-hour wick, 165.861. We're probably gonna come down to fill a 36 pip wick. But my trading day is over, so I will end the video at that.